Hello, I'm Iolo Williams and I'm here to encourage you to buy and read Natur Cymru. It is the magazine that flies the flag for Welsh wildlife. I read it, it's packed full of interesting articles and it comes out seasonally 4 times a year. And now Natur Cymru is holding a writing competition. It can be on a subject that inspires you, it can be in English or Welsh. We want it in plain words, we want it so that a non-naturalist can understand it. And the prize is fantastic. First prize, £500 and your article will be published in the magazine. Second prize is a year's subscription. So come on, who knows? You could then make a living travelling the world, writing about nature. You could even write scripts for David Attenborough. Give it a go.